Hi guys, so today let's make potato wedges. So now, we're gonna get this and lalagyan natin siya ng tubig. Kanina nilagyan ko ng tubig kasi may langgam pala, so I have to do it all over again. So yeah, we're now putting some water in there. So habang nilalagay yung water, lagyan na rin natin yung potatoes. Dapat yung saktong malunod lang yung potatoes. Dapat hindi masyadong madami kasi baka matagal siya mag-simmer. So, yeah. Bawas-bawasan natin ng konti. Let's add some salt. Para inaano pa lang siya, may lasa na siya. Buti langgam pa rin. And let's simmer it. Let's boil it for 8 minutes. So yeah, see you in 8 minutes. So habang hinihintay natin na mag-boil yon, gagawin man natin yung mga dry ingredients, yung mga flour something para masarap ang ating wedgie. Wedgie! So, we're mixing flour, salt, and water. Wala tayo ibang ingredient like paprika or something, pero ito na. It will be good then. OMG, look at guys. Liban nag-ano ko. So, now we are done with boiling it. Ooh, look at that. So we're gonna test it. We're gonna get some fork. We're gonna test it if like malambot na ba siya or need pa ng another 5 minutes or something. Ouch. I think it's wait. I'm done cooking. Hindi ko na na-video yung iba kasi I'm so busy. So, here to finish product. Yung iba, ginawa kong fries and then yung iba, potato wedges. Hello guys, this is a late video. So, I would rate the fries. I would rate the potato wedges 5 out of 10 kasi ang tigas ng flour niya, so para siyang biscuit na ewan, pero masarap siya, pero mas masarap siya kung may sauce. And another one, the fries is 10 out of 10. So yeah, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Okay, thank you for watching.